I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci Hippo, take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Hey you guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. It's your girl Armanda, and of course I'm back with a new look. For today's look, we'll be using a wig that I received from Yolissa Hair. They're literally one of my faves, one of my OGs. I've worked with them plenty of times. So the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is 13x6 HD lace front wig, 26 inch. The texture is body wave. My cap size is medium. Okay, so this is your box. It just says Yolissa. I love how my pinks are matching right now. Inside your box, you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also get a silk scarf, wig band, baby hair toothbrush, HD cap, some lashes, and a satin bag to store your wig. That's pretty much all the goodies that comes in your box. Let's go ahead and check out the wig and see what she's giving. I'm so excited. Ooh, she is gorgeous. Look at that. This is what the wig looks like straight out the bag. And as you guys can see, the wig has been pre-curled for you. I freaking love that. Not only does it come with an undetectable lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, but they also pre-curled it for you. Yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I have to show you guys this lace up close because babes, I really love the way they plucked it. I love how natural this lace looks. They plucked it perfectly. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has a band on the inside, comb on the bottom, on the side. All I'm pretty much gonna need for this install is this band right here and a little bit of glue just to clean up the edges, because nowadays I'm all into like keeping it minimal with the glue, because we all love our edges and we're trying to keep it intact. So I will be using a little bit of glue. I'm more excited about the curls than anything else. Like, look at that bounce. These are so beautiful. And then once I brush them out with a big comb, chef kiss, it's gonna be beautiful. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm super excited. I don't even want to touch the curls. So let's go ahead and get into this install. So let's go. you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was super quick, and like I told you guys at the beginning, I didn't even have to curl the hair. All I did was just clean up the front pieces, but besides that, everything is just perfect. 10 out of 10. I love the quality. It's super soft. Let me show you guys the full length really quick. This is how long it is, and as you guys can see, I haven't touched the curls whatsoever, and I just love how bouncy the hair is. The undetectable lace made everything super easy with this install. Didn't have to use a lot of glue. I mainly just use the glue around the areas that I know that I sweat a lot, and it will lift once I do sweat, but other than that, it was just perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, make sure you guys check out Yolissa hair. I will have all the links down below to make it easier for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.